Oh, hi. I'm still Duane. I am fascinated with sounds. Ever since I was a little kid, I listened to any sound, natural or... What? I just love to listen to sounds. Any kind of sound, as long as it's not between 100 and 120 decibels for more than a few seconds, I can tolerate any sound. I'm so curious. Particularly, like the sound of birds. And I'm going to demonstrate some mating calls of various birds. And maybe you can identify them. This first one is probably obvious.
Crow.
Pretty good, pretty good. The second one is a very pretty looking bird. It goes like this.
Cardinal.
Very good, very good. Cardinal. Okay, bird number 3 is a very sweet sound.
Morning dove.
Very good, very good. Morning dove. I think they should call the bird morning love or something, but that's been taken, lovebirds. Okay, this last one, let's see if we can get this one. This was a trick one. This is not a bird. This is a humanoid. Circa 1940, 1950. You know, he whistled at her, maybe he got her number and he was going to give her a call. Apparently there were other men that made those mating calls. This object is it looks like a tuning fork, but it's got these funny things at the end. It's actually a tuning out fork. Allow me to demonstrate. Sometimes my girlfriend's telling me something. Duane, you gotta pick up your clothes. You leave a toilet seat. And could you please pick up your clothes? And it works for women too. So just try and pretend I'm a woman. So we got this. Oh yeah, I have a Mercedes-Benz a V8 with a 682 range. And oh my God, it's a fumble on the 40 yard line, and they're scrambling, clawing, scratching, and the ref is.